Here's our list of the top 5 modifications that you can do to your 22 plus BRZ or 86 in 2025. We're going to be starting the list with the easiest mods, and we're going to be working our way down to the more difficult mods. So let's get into it. Starting with number 1, the absolute easiest mod and cheapest mod that you can do is taillight overlays. Now these come from Driven Media. These are an under $20, under 5-minute installation that you can do at home. The color options for the overlays is red, yellow, and then some smoked options, which you have light smoke and dark smoke. But as you can see right here, we have the red over the center here, and then we have the dark smoke over the marker light here. In my opinion, the dark looks great here. Yellow could be cool. It just depends on if you want like a JDM look, or it kind of just depends on what you guys like. Moving on to the second easiest thing to install, we have all of our overlays. So we have the shark fin that is carbon fiber up top. We have the door handle overlay that is also carbon fiber. The fit and finish on all of these carbon parts are extremely, extremely nice. So shout out Kevin over there at Driven Media. Come over here to the front, we also have this carbon fiber piece here that looks extremely nice, very sporty, very subtle. Now we're gonna go to the interior of the vehicle where we also have carbon fiber overlays, and this is all included in that number 2 spot. Moving to the interior of the car, we have more carbon fiber overlays. We have them just kind of sporadically over here, very tasteful. They're not too in your face. They come in a gloss or a matte carbon finish. I love the upgrades. They're super easy to install. They're not expensive, and they're just a great product. Like I said, the fit and finish is amazing on all of these carbon fiber parts. And that takes us to the third hardest thing to install, which is our wide angle mirrors. Now this mirror up here, and then our 2 side mirrors on the sides are wide angle. They're insanely awesome and helpful for not only just motorsport stuff, but everyday driving. It gets rid of blind spots. You can see everything. The field of view is impeccable with these mirrors, and these are all Driven Media products that we're pointing out currently. They're all available on our website, offlineperformance.com. Our 4th easiest mod to install is the OTL CATBACK exhaust system. This is the Street Series CATBACK. The sound is impeccable. When I tell you guys it is my favorite sounding exhaust, this is also a great modification that is inexpensive. This exhaust right now only costs $599.95 on our website, but if you use code OTLJ while you're seeing this video, you will get 5% off additional of this exact exhaust system right here, and you can even bundle it. You can get this CATBACK, you can get overlays, you can get the carbon fiber overlays, all on our website right now, and then add that 5% discount code, and you can get 5% off the whole bulk of the order. So make sure you head on over there and check it out. I switched to the OTL CATBACK because it was just had a better tone, and it wasn't as like tingy and things like that. It is a little bit quieter because it does have our muffler on it, but it sounds amazing. You can also get it in 3 tip options. You can get it in this burnt look here, we have the polished tip, and then we have the smoked look. What also comes with the exhaust when you get it is our block off plate, because these cars from factory do have a dual exit exhaust, but ours is a single exit. So we have a block off plate on that side, and then the OTL Street Series on this side. We can get a couple of sound clips in here for you guys as well. Last but not least on our list of the top 5 modifications is coilovers and wheels. Now, this is 2 different items technically, but when you do wheels and tires, we always recommend doing coils as well, just so you can get that good fitment and that look that you want. Now, the coilovers on this car, we do carry on our website. We have RSRs, we have HKS Hypermaxes on there. We also have Cusco. And then if you want to spend a little bit more money, if you plan on tracking the car or anything like that, we have ASTs and KWs. Now those are in the $6,000 price range, but as far as the coilovers that we have on the car right now, they're only $1,400 because they are the Cuscos. Now, while they are very affordable as far as coilovers go, they ride really nice. So it all depends on what you're looking for out of your car. Moving on, we have the wheels. So wheels, we currently do not carry, but we highly recommend checking out just basically any sort of aftermarket wheel setup that you fancy, you know what I mean? It doesn't matter if they're real wheels or rep wheels. Just get what you like. Go to Fitment Industries, go wherever you want. Search up a nice fitment, and I believe these are 18 by 9 plus 38 or plus 40. That's a good offset to have for them. But otherwise, just head over to one of those sites, pick up a nice set of wheels, and then get some coilovers while you're at it. That is going to be it for our top 5 on the 86 BRZ platform. Make sure you head to our website, offlineperformance.com. Use code OTLJ for an additional 5% off your next purchase. And thank you guys so much for watching.